Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, production timeline of LCA Mark II to shift further. In September of last year, the CCS approved the LCA Mk2 program. HAL, a state-owned aerospace and defense company, confirmed that the company's director finance Ananta Krishna, HAL plans to roll out a prototype by September 2025, exactly 36 months from the CCS clearance. And the first flight is scheduled for 2026. There are plans for 3 additional prototypes of the LCA Mk2 fighter, which will be rolled out with an 8-month gap between each. Next. Army keen to push for FRCV after light tank. The conflict in Ukraine has exposed a vulnerability in the Russian main battle tank, which has captured the Indian Army's attention as it pursues its ambitious future ready combat vehicle, that is FRCV initiative. The FRCV project aims to phase out the T-72 main battle tanks supplied by the Soviet Union from 2030 onward. Next. Developing lithium battery packs for Kalvari class submarine. The Indian Navy has expressed interest in equipping its 6 Kalvari class submarines with lithium battery packs and is looking to collaborate the local industrial partners in the country and the French Naval Group to achieve the goal. The French Naval Group, which is currently working with the DRDO to integrate a fuel cell-based air-independent propulsion, that is AIP system, into the first submarine of its class starting in 2025, has offered its expertise to help integrate lithium battery packs into the Kalvari class submarine fleet. Next. Israel conveys willingness to partner with India in advanced technology. Israel wants to be partner with India in advanced technologies. India also has expressed its interest for Indo-Israeli bilateral cooperation and sought increased investment by Israeli companies in India for the co-production of defense equipment. Next. PM Modi to lay foundation of Gravity Observatory, LIGO, India tomorrow. PM Modi will lay the foundation stone of Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, that is LIGO, India, on Thursday when the country celebrates the 25th anniversary of the Pokhran II nuclear tests. PM Modi will also dedicate to the nation a rare earth permanent management plant at the Bhabha Atomic Research Center campus at Visakhapatnam and a fission moly 99 production facility in Mumbai to produce the radio isotope used in more than 85% of imaging procedures for early detection of cancer and heart disease. Next. PM Modi's US visit to strengthen commitment for free Indo-Pacific, says White House. Modi's visit to the US will show that the partnership between the two nations is people-centric, people-driven, and is good for the world at large, a top Indian diplomat in Washington on Wednesday said, as he called the visit historic. Next. South Korea increasingly seeing India as alternative to China. Strategic ambiguity has been South Korea's foreign policy formula for more than a decade. The South China Morning Post reported, adding that this is because Seoul's decision not to take a side between Washington and Beijing, given its close economic ties with China and the presence of US military forces in the country, was regarded as inevitable. Next. Cemilac calls for design review of ALH-DHRUV in response to the third crash of the DHRUV advanced lighter helicopter in the last 3 months. The Bengaluru-based Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification, that is Cemilac, a government regulatory body, has called for a comprehensive design review of a safety critical system on the helicopter. Next, Turkey unveils drone-launched Kemanke mini cruise missile. According to recent reports, Baker, a Turkish defense company, has introduced a mini cruise missile that can be launched from a drone. The missile, named Bayraktar Kemanke, has been developed to arm the Bayraktar Akinci TB2 and TB3 combat drones as per the company's statement. It has a 1-hour endurance and is equipped with an artificial intelligence-based autopilot system. The missile can function day and night, and it possesses a robust anti-jamming capabilities. Additionally, the missile has an artificial intelligence assisted optical guidance system which helps it locate and attack targets with great precision even under challenging conditions. Next, Grene Robotics requires Apogee C41's deep tech IP. On Thursday, Hyderabad-based autonomous robotic firm Grene Robotics announced the completion of its acquisition of Apogee C41 LLP's C41 SRT platform, a defense technology company. In 2021, Grene Robotics introduced its comprehensive drone defense system Indrajal, which has the capability to cover up to 4,000 square kilometers per system. Thank you.